Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on capacity. The idea of capacity is very closely linked to volume. Capacity involves the amount of liquid that an object can hold. For example, the following 3D objects have a volume, so they are able to hold liquid. How do we measure capacity? We need to know the following simple conversions to understand how capacity is measured. So 1 cubic centimetre holds 1 millilitre of liquid. 1,000 cubic centimetres hold 1,000 millilitres of liquid. 1,000 millilitres equals 1 litre. 1 kilolitre equals 1,000 litres, and 1 megalitre equals 1,000 kilolitres, or 1 million litres. That's a very, very large amount of liquid there. It's a megalitre, and usually we use this measure here, say, for large volumes like swimming pools and dams, etc. Examples. Consider the following object. What is its capacity? So we have a rectangular prism, 5 centimetres by 2 centimetres by 9 centimetres. To find the capacity of the above object, we need to calculate its volume. So the volume is 5 centimetres by 2 centimetres by 9 centimetres, and we saw that in the previous video. So the volume is 90 cubic centimetres. Hence the object holds 90 millilitres, because we saw the conversion on the previous slide where 1 cubic centimetre holds 1 millilitre. Example 2, what is the capacity of this object? Again, that's a rectangular prism, 40 centimetres by 10 centimetres by 15 centimetres. So the volume is 40 centimetres by 10 centimetres by 15 centimetres. And when we multiply those together, all those there, we get 6,000 cubic centimetres. So this object holds 6 litres of liquid. So this video has introduced the basic idea of capacity. We've seen some simple conversions, and we've seen a few examples how to calculate the capacity of some given objects.